We in pediatrics and in pediatric cardiology as a subspecialty of pediatrics are strong believers of not just do no harm, but do good, do better. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is what you would consider a thick heart muscle disease. So when the heart squeezes, it squeezes better than normal, but it's very stiff when it relaxes. It can cause sudden cardiac death. And so that's the key concern when it comes to hypertrophic cardiomyopathy.
This affects nearly 1 in 500 patients, so that's a lot of people suffering with this disease and potentially not even being aware. And so we want to do everything we can to get the science to move forward. And clinical trials are what help us to advance medicine so that we're not just treating the symptoms of the problem, but treating the problem itself. We understand that it is a little scary sometimes when you're talking about a new medicine or a trial. Part of clinical trials and part of doing clinical trials well is to make sure that there's a lot of oversight to ensure that what we're doing is safe, that what we are doing is the best that we can offer for our patients, and that all of the trial work that gets done is based in science that has been vetted and founded and solidified over many years, so that the ways that we can help support patients now and patients 5 and 10 years from now is to do these kinds of studies and to be a little bit bold.
Clinical trials is the only way for us to figure out beyond a single individual patient, but the entirety of the disease process that affects many patients, of how to go about treating them best so that they have the best, longest outcomes.
So our institution is currently enrolling patients in a clinical trial that's looking at a medicine called mavacamten. It is a myosin inhibitor. Myosin, which is one of the key proteins of the heart muscle to help it squeeze and relax. In hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, myosin essentially works too well. And so current therapies are looking to inhibit myosin function and allow better relaxation and improved function in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy patients. The adult population has seen success with clinical trials of this particular medicine, and so we're very excited to be enrolling pediatric and adolescent patients to see if they will have the same success.
Anyone who wants to join any of our clinical trials are more than welcome to contact us here at Le Bonheur in the Division of Pediatric Cardiology and the Heart Institute.